Kum shibenta banis nok tilang ban rakhi kesngi kerpang ban persyak drok bat ru kejing shalan tu ik drok ke District Integrated Strategy for HIV AIDS Disha Nongpo, District AIDS Control Society DACS, Megalai AIDS Control Society MACS ha kejing terilang bat kedor barsnong yau maulong menta kesngi ke arpasan terik ujeliu ke rakhi geni kesngi kerpang ban persyak drok ya kebeletip kum ke International Day Against Drugs and Illicit Trafficking. Ye kini kejing rakhi kesngi kerpang ban persyak drog lepelong ha ying dorbar hall yau maulong ha kebalawan ban sakilang da ke Ayushi Pradhan IAS kebedairu ke Assistant Commissioner ke Ribhoi kum ke Kongsan ha kejing don ringkat Uj Rabha MPS Deputy SP Traffic Branch Ribhoi District Dr. D Momin SDMHO no Office DMHO Urang bak senong ke senong yau maulong, uba akbar khar kongor, ha ke jingedon lang kinong ilam senglong kemi, ikena skul ke Alpha English High Secondary School nongpo, bat kisamla puli ke Ribhoi College lembat kiwe-kiwe. Haba keren ha kini kesngi, uwe ni kisamla ubala ngop hau drok ha kini kesngi ulapla shem mensim, ba ke jingdi drok ke ketak shisha am tangi lede, bat ke ketak ru ikabor perkhat perdan ke ying kesem bat ke imlang salang. Ha keba kum kisamla kim de ban ngop hau niu jingdi besniu balatip pat pa kum udrok. Ha bekren pat na keliang ke Ayushi Pradhan IAS kala khot bat wer ya barok bandon ke jinge terilang ban shemi kilat jingeda kenang babun kisamla ha ke district bat ke jela kin light na ke jingma ne ke jing sha penshoy ban ngop hau drok bala pensniu wi kisamla ke ying kesem bat ha ke imlang salang hi barok kawai.
Di ada drugs mana atau kami ada drugs kalau apa shisha nomor apa kalau kaji sha yoben mau kaji sha keren kaji sha ken puak apa nama kumka society jogi kumka neka report kumka kontak dari report dari buat mereka baru kaji lah ka nompak ka India atau kaji lah mereka dia mau kan pilihan lari dia yo kena bayar sen drugs buat mereka ki society buat ki bahin hasil jo biru ki pilihan kita yang namar beliau namar barang pendengar mengenai drugs tang mengamar bayi bersakren bayi lane tadi bayi bahasa jangan dari baru ki society ki neighbors jangan baru ki siapa ki buat nasional kata jangan ro ka sakren ke bau kena nata nako nakamau turun udah kena beli drugs kata tapi kalau kau baca burung hanya yang lane ki nasional kata jangan yang para jangan ro nakata kalau long bangalas beliau kaba latumu yang ada berkalan bertemu yang jadi jangan kalau baka jadi sosi baka jadi nyoben bak pikir apa pikir kan ada drugs kalau kaba sisa nama bomde bayar tak apa kumba bila beliau yang biris pot dekat kalau kaba render ndai bata wala pihak balsian watang sikwa dar pihak balius pihak perlu tadi haja bisa kalau kaba te ngamnya bau ulung kena berjuang si drugs kelana kayi hasil semua ki nam pilihan jauh lana ki ujo bisa happy benda ki kam cai kerja aku ki kam ki badi kongaro example dia lade naladi yang kefo naladi kita ki benda hayi hasil ka tiar ki benda hayi te untaro dampur ki kam ki ba namla dan pelahau kan memo namar lese ki don ki pismosi dan ki baito yang pismosi ro dari kasih na asmoban pada bagayo kana platform kana buat bantuan ban pelaya ke kana beliau pelaya testimoni jaga nomor mentah na susur nomor hal daga jinglong juga kamen kana mi island ma kana la ban pelay dari lada pintar ka jishania hau blen ba hajrong de hau ke kana ka jingjong ke pa tang lomba jago ke na yo ka kana kala ban nami itu om tang kata apa sih jumlah orang niyor kadang ka kala lada pintar siapan berpelai cross kadang ka kala kala jikut ki OST center rehabilitation ngala imei pa jana kila trestop kila lestop saya kila pelut yang bisa kila jaburo rewala kata ki piang yang marliyo ki yang maka kadang ka jingkaman ada jingip jama te mentan asmumu ya ka jingle pa jongim ba kujuru ya ki baru ki parasno pa jana ru ki ba piang yang saya sen nama ki mama ngala pe yang ada ki jana te nga aku te ki baru ba Nah, aku beli dia ke OST Center jom nampor kepala yang jadi sisa bun lapun ki sisa ki noti drop apa nampor apa jom kan yang report jom ni kepala lain ro na lepas ke OST Center dan tangan kuat.
Migration, urbanization, and therefore our youths are at the risk of falling into drug abuse. But in this district, we have something stronger, which is the community. So here I believe that the role of the community leaders, the teachers, the parents, that becomes very essential to tackle this issue. So first of all, it's very important for us to understand the problem about drug abuse. So as already highlighted before, drug abuse, it not only destroys your health, but it also eats away your dignity, your potential, your peace. It leads to crime and violence, it leads to family breakdown, and obviously there's a link of drug abuse to HIV and AIDS. Basically, when you are using injectable drug, you are falling into risk of HIV. So, therefore, it's very important that we coordinate the DISHA project, which links anti-drug with HIV. And the most dangerous part is that the most productive age, which is 15 to 35 years, those people are becoming trapped to drug abuse. So we are losing on our future, we are losing on our productive potential, we are losing on the demographic dividend of India. So therefore, it's a very serious issue. So now the important part is that we need to fight against this problem. So the first step to fight is to start talking about it, is to focus on awareness. And for that, we are already organizing this kind of programs. Maybe we can increase this frequency. We need to regularize talking about drug, about its harmful effect. So maybe in our women's collectives or in schools or in colleges, we need proper awareness sessions. Second is we need to strengthen the families. So for the children, the most important place, the safe place is the home, the parents, their siblings, their elders. So if at all you find that the child is not is showing some abnormal behavior, is showing some signs of detachment, so it is the role of the family to step in, to provide them that safe place where they can discuss their issues, where you can encourage them. And the community also plays an important role, that we should not stigmatize the people, the children who are falling into drug abuse. Because if you start stigmatizing them, then they will not come and they will not share their problems with you. So we need to create a very safe place where the children, the youth, they can come out and they can reach out to you. So here the role of the community, the Galva Shop becomes very important. And the most important thing is we need to provide alternatives to the youth. We need to provide them training, skill development. They fall into this trap of drug abuse if there is no alternative. So we need to focus on skill development, on livelihood enhancement. And here we all need to work together, from the government to the communities. We already are having number of skill development initiatives, from Pradhan Mantri Kaushal Vikas Yojana to number of ITIs. So we need to focus on vocational training, we need to focus on other things like sports, we need to engage our youth in productive things. Then only they will stop thinking about drugs and other things. And the most important thing is about our law. So we need to understand about, we have NDPS Act, that is National Drugs and Psychotropic Substance Act. So under this act, consumption, production or trafficking of drugs is a very serious abuse, it's a very serious criminal offence. So even if you possess a small amount of drug, it can lead to imprisonment, it can lead to your criminal record and also a loss of your career. And if you are a student, you can be disqualified from government exam, from government job. So it's very important that we take this issue very seriously. And the good part about the law is that it also has a rehabilitation angle. The first time users, they are referred to proper de-addiction and counseling rather than prison. So therefore, since we know that how harmful it can be if you are going into drugs and all these things, it's very important that as a community we strengthen and we refer them to the de-addiction centers, because who are getting addicted, we can stop them. There's a proper, we have a lot of counseling sessions, we are having de-addiction centers, number of hospitals, they are coming into counseling, we can have regular counselors at schools. So it's very important that we identify, we report them. We need to talk about it, we need to report and identify. So that's a very important thing which we need to do. We need to intervene early.
ngakotru ya i program manager juga KJP